Welcome viewers to the Dragster Shop and Transmissions. Today we're doing a little service work on a 2018 Toyota Tacoma. So I'm doing an oil change and a tire rotation. That's what the client wants. That's what the client gets. So I wasn't sure where the oil filter was because I'd never changed oil in one of these trucks. You know, they're not that old and most of them are still under warranty, and the dealership offers free oil changes. So, you know, hey, here's my first one now. This truck's obviously out of warranty. It's 2020. And I didn't know where the oil filter was. I looked on the top side of the engine bay, could not find the oil filter. So I go to YouTube and type in oil filter location, 2018 Toyota Tacoma. Well, apparently, this particular truck is like a unicorn because all the YouTubers were posting was for the V6 model, 6-cylinder model Toyota engines that actually take a cartridge style oil filter. That if that's what you have, then you best get Toyota genuine replacement oil filter cartridge, because that'll come with a new cartridge, O-rings, and a gasket for the plug. So that being said, this is a 4-cylinder Toyota Tacoma, and if you look right there, it says Toyota. There's your oil filter. There is your drain plug, bottom of the oil pan right there. So if you watch the videos, they'll tell you to take the skid plate off. You see I did that. There was no need to do that. So that's actually a good thing. I guess in hindsight, I should have climbed underneath the truck and looked for the oil filter on the bottom. But I just knew after watching those videos there'd be a cartridge style oil filter somewhere, and then that was just going to ruin my day, because Toyota's made it really hard to change oil on the 6-cylinder models. It's almost like you have to go back to the dealership. However, on the 4-cylinders, it's like, okay, you can change it, no problem. So there's that. And so if you have a 4-cylinder Tacoma, crawl up underneath the passenger side wheel, front wheel, behind the wheel, just like I am right here, and shine your light right up there, and you'll see your filter and then your drain plug right there. Alright, this is just a short video. Let me climb out from under here. Hopefully I won't drop my camera. Okay, so here we are. 2018, January of 2018, this Toyota Tacoma was manufactured. 4-cylinder. So I'm doing a video for the 4-cylinder version because I'm sure there's some of you out there that have the 4-cylinder and you don't know how to change the oil in it. So hopefully you'll stumble across this video and this will help you out. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, comment below, and I'll see you in the next round. Alright guys, thanks for watching.